Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics. We are in the chapter of limits and continuity, and we are doing a 2024 series. All questions are from 2024 only. Today we are going to solve three questions. Serial number 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is our serial number. All are from 2024. Limit n tends to infinity 1 square minus 1. Actually this is going to become 0 first term. Okay, 2 square minus 2 into n minus 2, n minus 1, n minus 1 square. How to modify this? See, last term is n minus 1. If it is n square minus 1 will come, but this term is last one is n minus 1 square minus n minus 1. Why? Because see, 1 means 1 will come, 2 means 2 will come, okay, 3 means 3 will come, n minus 1 means n minus 1 will come. Okay, that is okay first term. What about second term? Second term, this n is standard, n minus, last term is n minus 1. 1. Okay, into 1. Okay, this is numerator. Denominator you see 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube minus, here n is there but here n minus 1 only. Observe, 1 square minus 1 square plus 2 square up to n square. Here also up to n is there but here only n minus 1. First of all, to solve this, we have to write this in sigma form. See how I am writing this sigma. See how I am modifying this. Limit n tends to infinity sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus 1, okay, r square minus r, 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2, like that, n minus r, n minus 1 minus 2, n minus 3, like that. Last term also, actually last term n minus 1, n minus n minus 1. Sorry, n minus n minus 1, okay, plus 1, n minus, r will come n minus 1, okay. This is numerator. What about denominator? This we know very well. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n r cube minus sigma, this is also r is equal to 1 to n only, r square. Okay, now still modify. Limit n tends to infinity sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus 1. See, n r square minus r cube minus n r plus r square. Okay, that is numerator. This we know very well. Shall I remove this sigma? If I remove this sigma, what will happen? We know 1 to n is there. That means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. You accept? Definitely. Why? Because n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, minus, here carefully you write n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Do you accept this? Okay, here square is there. Now we have removed sigma. Numerator also have to remove, but not now. Observe carefully how we are going to solve this. Okay, I think one or two times I have to rub the board, or else we are not going to get this answer. Limit n tends to infinity only. See, I want to segregate sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus 1, okay. See, r square if I take common, n plus 1, okay. Why? Because see, r square here and r square here, minus r cube minus nr. Okay, divided by See here n into n plus 1 by 2 shall I take common? Why? Because see here n into n plus 1 by 2 I can take common. N into n plus 1 by 2 is there. Okay, see how I am doing. N into n plus 1 by 2, if I take common, 1 n into n plus 1 by 2 will be there minus, there n into n plus 1 by 2 already gone. 2n plus 1 will be there, divided by 3 will be there. Why? Because 2 into 3 6 again. Okay, afterwards we will do cross multiplication and all. But here we have to, what we can say, I think here space is not enough. I am going to write here. You see, numerator we have to write now. Now I want to remove this sigma. Then what I have to write? If I want to remove sigma r square, what we are going to do? See, this n plus 1 is n plus 1 into, okay, see, denominator, observe carefully, denominator 1 to n. 1 to n, that is why that formula, standard formula. But numerator 1 to not n, n minus 1, 1 less we have to take it. Okay, see, n plus 1 already we have taken. R square, what we are going to write? When up to n minus 1 means r square. Here what we have written for r square? N into n plus 1 to n plus 1. See, n means what here? N minus 1. Okay, here n, here n minus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1 means n. 2n plus 1. See how I am writing. 2n plus 1 means 2n minus 1 plus 1. That means 2n minus 2 plus 1. 2n minus 1. Okay, carefully I have to write like this. See, this is up to r square only. Minus. See, here 6 we have not written. Sorry. Divided by 6. Okay, divided by 6. Now see, only this over. N plus 1 into r square. N plus 1 into this is r square. Okay, multiplication. Minus r cube. Minus r cube. R cube also. R cube what we have written here? Up to 1 to n. Up to n means r cube. This we have written. But here 1 minus 1 only. That means what we are going to write? N means n minus 1. See, for this r cube nothing is there. Here n plus 1 is there, but here nothing is there. Okay, n minus 1 into n plus 1. That means n divided by 2 whole square. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square for normal r cube. But n minus 1 into n by 2 whole square for n minus 1. Okay, r cube also over. Minus nr. N you take r. See, sigma r or sigma n, like what you have written here, nothing with n into n plus 1 by 2. But here n means what? N minus 1. Write down. Into n plus 1. That means n by 2. Okay. See, this is n, this n. R means we have written this one, n minus 1 into n by 2. Okay. Now this is numerator, but denominator already we have written. The same we have to repeat again. N into n plus 1 by 2. Not repetition. We will do something. See, 3n into n plus 1 minus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, this is multiplication. That means see, 2 into 6, 12 is there. See, here also we will bring some and we will cancel this. Okay, now see, 1 by 3 has to come answer. I am going to remove this black and the red. Okay, pass and note down. Let me remove first black. 1 by 3 answer has to come. Okay, see, here also we can take common. See, here n into n plus 1 by 2, here n into n minus 1 by 2 we can take common. Why? Because n into n minus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2 I am taking common. Okay, limit n tends to infinity, n into n minus 1 by 2, if I take common in numerator, what will happen? N into n minus 1 by 2 we have taken. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3. n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n minus 1. n into n minus 1 by 2 gone. n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 by 3. Why? Because see 2 is there. 2 into 3 6. Okay, this is first term. Minus second term 1n into n minus 1 by 2 gone. 1n into n minus 1 by 2 will come. Okay, this is second term. Minus, see here n into n minus 1 by 2 gone. Only n will come. Okay, close this bracket. Okay, I am removing this red color also. Okay, this is the case of numerator. What about denominator? Denominator n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, see here you send 3n square plus 3n. Okay, 3n square plus 3n minus 4n minus 2 divided by 6. Okay, this is multiplication only. Okay, now can we do something there? No, we cannot do. Here we will do. Limit n tends to infinity. I think this two will cancel out. Okay, not required. Okay, n into n minus 1. Shall I, what we can say? Okay, let me write 2n square minus n plus 2n minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus n square minus n by 2 minus n. Okay, this is numerator, and the denominator 2 is not there. N into n plus 1. You see 3n square. Okay, see minus 4n plus 3n minus n minus 2. Okay, now I am going to remove this blue color also. 1 by 3 has to come finally answer. If that has come means okay, or else we have done wrong, like we have to think. Okay, now repeat again. Limit n tends to infinity. N into, see n I can cancel. Okay, why should I bother? N minus 1 into, you take LCM 6. Okay, 2 into 3 6. Okay, see here actually minus n is there. Okay, let it be, no problem. 2 times goes 2 into 2 4n square. Okay, see here n is minus plus n is there. Why? Because 2n minus n is there. N, but see 3 2 times 2n. Minus 1 is there, but see 3 2 times minus 2. Okay, again minus 2 3 times 3n square plus minus minus plus 2 3 times 3n. 1 6 times minus 6n. Okay, all divided by n plus 1 into 3n square minus n minus 2. Okay, shall I remove this green? Okay, pass and note down. Okay, now come back. Limit n tends to infinity. N minus 1 by n plus 1 into, see here n square 4 and 3, 1n square, 4n square minus 3n square. Okay, 1n square, and plus 5n. No, see 2n plus 3n, 5n minus 6n minus n minus 2. Okay, divided by 3n square minus n minus 2. Okay. Now see, like a quadratic equation, I want to take what we can say common, and let me see whether any calculations cancellations are going to occur. And n to infinity n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, see, n square 1 into minus 2 minus 1 has to come. See, minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus n. Okay, then see, n square minus 2n plus n minus 2. N if you take common, n minus 2 plus 1. That means see, n plus 1 into n minus 2. N plus 1 into n minus 2. Okay. Now n plus 1 going to get cancelled out. This is the case of numerator. Then what about denominator? Denominator 3 into 2 minus 6. And minus 1 has to come. See, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 6 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Okay. That means see, 3n square minus 3n plus 2n minus 2. And 3n you can take common, n minus 1. N minus 1 means c plus 2. 2n minus 2. That means see, 3n plus 2 into n minus 1. 3n plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay. And now see, n minus 1, n minus 1, n plus 1 cancel out. Limit n tends to infinity n minus 2 by 3n plus 2. Okay. See, we cannot apply now limit. Infinity means infinity is going to come. That is why infinity by infinity. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, if you apply, what will happen? See here, n is there. With respect to n, you have to do. That means 1, 0, 3, 0. See, this is constant. Answer is 1 by 3. Already I said answer is 1 by 3. Okay, let us go for next question.